Hey everyone, so I made a Coquito tres leche cake. First time. This cake came out freaking banging. Absolutely delicious. The directions will be down below in the description box. I mixed all my milks together. The cake actually was done with cake flour. I followed the instructions on that box, and that's how I made the cake. You must follow that perfectly. Penny was around to supervise and make sure everything went accordingly. So like I said, all directions are below. I gave some of this cake to my co-workers and they absolutely loved it. Loved it. I gave them little samples and they said I gave them too little. Well, next time I'll make more and I'll take the whole cake to work, I guess. But in the meantime, check out the directions below. You can add alcohol or you don't. I did not, but the next one I most definitely will. I broke it up in 2 cakes. Next time I'm doing the whole cake and putting all the milk in 1 cake, plus more milk probably, because this cake flour was much denser than let's say a Pillsbury cake mix. Yeah, we couldn't wait, so we started eating right away, and that's the picture you get there. Half eaten, quarter eaten. But anyway, it was much denser than regular cake mix, so I'd probably add more milk next time. Maybe I'll double it or add 2 coconut milks or whatnot. But anyway, it came out freaking amazing. You have to try this recipe. Okay, let me know if you do. Thank you.